Hey guys, Dave Shotgun Tim back here with just another shotgun video, and this one's gonna be for Gustav Elijah R, aka Lil Peep. Recently, me and my wife went on a trip, and so we decided to stop in Tucson, Arizona, which was where he was found dead on his tour bus as he was about to play a gig that night. He died on November 15th, 2017, which is my birthday. He was 21. He had just turned 21 2 weeks before. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Hey, what's up? We're here in Tucson at at the corner of 9th and Park. This is actually, I've been wanting to come here for a while because this is where Lil Peep, they found his body on this tour bus at the Rock here in Tucson. He was about to play a show, but this shotgun's for him, and rest in peace, man. But if you come a little closer, there's they have a bunch of really cool stuff here for him. Apparently, I haven't seen it yet. I'm just walking up, but as you can see, the flowers and all this other stuff down here, I think is for him. Yeah, see, look, the Rock spelled Lil Peep right here. Oh yeah, I love this little Crybaby GBC Hellboy. That's sick. Oh, rip Gus. What does it say? 11/1. They need more rocks because he died on 11/15 on my birthday, actually. There's actually a show here last night, but it looked like a shitty metal show though, so I didn't go. But yeah, as you can see, lots of love all around that the front of that venue for where he passed away. Also, if you like the song that's in the video, it's by a friend of mine. She goes by the name of Veronica Rose. You can look her up. Her link will be in the description of the video. So see y'all next time. I'm gonna do Eddie Guerrero next, so stay tuned.